Seal driveway cracks completely to deny ants and other pests access to the voids they use for nesting and travel. Start by widening narrow hairline fractures with a rigid scraper or a cold chisel until you reach a clean V-shaped groove about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch deep so sealant can adhere. Remove all debris, dust, and loose aggregate with a wire brush, and then blow or sweep the area thoroughly. Any remaining material will prevent a durable bond. For insect-prone sites, apply a pest deterrent powder such as diatomaceous earth or an insecticidal dust into the cleaned crack, tapping it gently so the powder reaches the deepest voids and wiping away excess from the surface. Choose a flexible, crack-specific sealant such as polyurethane or a polymer-modified asphalt patch for driveways that settle or experience freeze and thaw. Follow manufacturer directions for temperature and curing time. Overfill the groove slightly and tool the surface flush with a trowel or putty knife to create a smooth joint that sheds water rather than trapping it. Finally, let the sealant cure fully before traffic returns, and consider a surface seal coat every few years to protect joints from ultraviolet breakdown and water intrusion. Common mistakes are using a generic caulk meant for interior gaps, which dries brittle and cracks again. So always pick an outdoor flexible sealant rated for roadway or driveway joints and check the product data sheet for expected movement range. Another issue is failing to remove underlying insect activity before sealing, which simply traps pests inside. Treat the voids first with a targeted dust or liquid labeled for ant control and allow time for the treatment to work before sealing. A third problem is neglecting regular inspection after repairs, which lets small new gaps become infestations. Schedule a quick check each season, clear debris from joints, and touch up or reseal any hairline openings immediately. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors by listing professionals and allowing users to post project descriptions and request responses, so we make it easier to find someone experienced with driveway repair and pest prevention. We also provide a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, share product experiences, and ask questions. And we use our platform to help contractors find work by responding to homeowner posts.